Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 2x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about the u equals to 2dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So 2x we change by u. Similar for this one. Dx we change by this one. Now we apply the formula in here. 2 sine a cosine a equals to sine 2a. This one they missing about number 2, so we need to create about 2 square over 2 square. Why do we need to have the square? Because we have square and square in here. This one you got about 4. Number 2 with number 4 you got about 8. And this one I will put like this. That's about 2 sine u cosine u to the power of 2. So we see that 2 sine u cosine u we change by sine 2a, and this one should be about sine 2u. Now we apply the next one. Sine a square equals to 1 minus cosine 2a over number 2. So I will put this one go in here. Capital A represent about 2u. So if we put this one in here, you got about 1 minus cosine 4u over number 2. Number 2 and number 8, you got about 1 over 16. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, you got about u. The integration of cosine for u, you got 1 over 4 sine for u. And we put about c. About u, that is about 2x. So number 4 and number 2, you got about 8. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.